Hi, I'm Drew, and that's Bethany.
The holidays are in full force, which means mistletoe, Christmas lights, and kids around the world waiting for Santa Claus.
Now, according to legend, St. Nick will leave gifts under the trees of those who have been good. But what happens to those who haven't been on their best behavior?
Find out as we experience the Krampus Run, coming up on Odyssey Odysseys.
A lot of traffic tonight.
Holiday weekend, everybody's getting their shopping done. Which you got your shopping done, right?
Oh, of course.
Yeah. We are on our way to Torrance. To the 2019 Krampus Run, which is actually a centuries-old Austrian tradition, which somehow found its way to Los Angeles.
It's usually held in downtown LA, but this year they're adding a little bit of an authentic touch, and it's being held outside of the Alpine Village. Authentic, you know, because Austria's in the Alps. The Alpine Village is about 15 miles south of Los Angeles on the 110. We're getting off at Torrance Boulevard, which actually includes a left onto Hamilton Avenue before turning right on Torrance. Then the Alpine Village should be immediately on our right. Easy peasy. Oh, here's the lot. Alpine Village.
Oh, here we are. Oh, this is cute.
This is cute. I feel like I'm in the Alps. Do you?
I don't think it's cold enough for that.
You're right, it's not cold enough. Christmas comes but once a year. The holiday season is filled with good cheer, hopeful children, and anticipation of St. Nicholas. However, one day in December belongs to a sinister presence, whispered to be Santa's dark companion.
Derived from pagan origins and horrific nightmares, this Christmas demon is called Krampus. Krampus is a terrifying beast with cloven hooves and the horns of a goat who carries chains and sticks to punish those who have misbehaved.
Historically, the feast of St. Nicholas is celebrated in the early days of December. On the eve of St. Nicholas Day, bells ring from the chapel as a warning that Krampus is being set free to roam the streets.
After 1 hour of invoking terror among humankind, Krampus is called back, officially ending the Krampuslauf until next year.
So how did the Krampus find its way to California?
Well, Al Ridner, author of The Krampus and the Old Dark Christmas, actually went to Austria to experience a Krampus run firsthand. Needless to say, he came back inspired.
I guess so. When Al returned home, he discovered a message from his old pal Al Guerrero. The two previously worked together on LA's Cacophony Society and participated in early SantaCon events.
With Ridner's first-hand experience and Guerrero's passion for artistry and a desire to make a local Krampus run, the two joined forces and the first Krampus run in Los Angeles started in 2013.
And here we are 6 years later and it's still going strong.
And getting stronger each year.
This town definitely embodies the spirit and feel of a traditional Krampus run.
It is a good spot for the occasion.
Yeah, it definitely fits the legend. I feel a disturbance in the air. Do you? Supposedly those dressed as Krampus will wander through these streets and make their way through the twists and turns.
And now we just wait for them to appear.
Yep. Now, according to legend, Krampus will leave you alone if you present him with some kind of treat or a gold coin or something.
Well, I came prepared, didn't you?
You know it. They don't quite jingle like actual coins, but chocolate's more delicious.
We're waiting for something to happen.
Yep.
But we don't know what yet.
And we don't know from whence it shall cometh.
They might be coming from the chapel. Please use other side. And there's a bench right here, so Krampus cannot come storming through this.
Yeah.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, without any further ado, I would like to introduce to you St. Nicholas! The bells signal the coming of Krampus! Don't get so excited. What brings him joy brings terror to you! Krampus, come on down!
have nightmares. Very tall man.
Krampus, the word itself, comes from krampen, which means claw. So that makes sense.
Okay, that one's terrifying.
He's wide. You know what he has, though? He has a backpack full of skulls. So cool. All of these costumes of the Krampus are homemade.
Very impressive.
Yeah, yeah.
Do I have any sinners over here? You're not going to be happy. I've got some bad news for you. If you've not been good, you have time to turn things around now. Here we go. We got a good one. Now, I hope you've learned a valuable lesson, young lady. If not, we'll come around and do it again.
That was nervous.
They were one away. They were one away. Should have been right here.
Oh, Krampus! Give me a baby. All of these. They always get it.
Oh, my hat!
Oh no!
I was gonna pay him for it too. Not my good one.
They were nice to give it back.
I know, you're so nice. Would you like a chocolate? There you go. Merry Christmas. I made a friend.
Calling all Krampus, come on down to the front of the chapel. All Krampus, come forward. Come forward, Krampus. Can I get a count of Krampus? If you're a Krampus, raise your hand. There's some human-looking Krampus over here. That's a sin human. Well then, now that we're all gathered here, let's go get them! Everybody, make a welcome! Everyone, a Krampus surprise attack! That Krampus is foul.
Wait, are you eating the Krampus treats? Okay. That is the cardinal sin.
They keep taking my hat.
Oh, well then, you should get a treat for every time they take your hat. Oh my gosh!
Nap time. So we snuck into the chapel.
We're taking refuge. They'll never look for us in here.
Yeah, it's a little peace and quiet in here for now.
Mm-hmm. Well, we better get back out there so we can get whipped and
Get more
whipped into shape.
Krampused.
Yep. Krampified. All right. St. Nick has officially called off the Krampus Run. So if you survived, you're good for another year. And that is the end of the Krampuslof. If you'd like to experience the Krampus Run for yourself, check out the website krampuslosAngeles.com.
And as Krampus awaits in the underworld for next year's festivities, we'd like to take this time to express our thanks to you guys, not just for joining us today on the Krampus Run, but all year long.
We want to wish you a safe and happy holiday season, and we look forward to greeting you in the new year with some new adventures.
So stay tuned, and we'll see you guys soon.
Look out behind you. Oh God. Oh, ah. I almost made it. I almost made it.
You almost got your dream.
But alas. Well, I guess that's it for this year.